How to delete categories in WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard and you will be on this page. Navigate to Posts and then Categories in the sidebar menu. This Categories page shows a list of all existing categories on the right. When you hover your cursor over any category, it shows the Delete option. By clicking the Delete option, you can get rid of that particular category. Simply click Delete and then accept confirmation prompt. This is the one way of deleting individual categories. You can also delete categories in bulk. For bulk deletion, check this topmost box that selects all the categories at once. You can also uncheck the boxes for individual categories that you don't want to delete. Now go to Bulk Actions and select the Delete action. Then click the Apply button. Look at the categories list. It has deleted all the selected categories. It also displays a Categories Deleted message at the top of the page. Please keep in mind that there is no way to recover categories that you deleted in WordPress. However, you can create a new category with the same name and re-add any posts sent to the uncategorized category because of the deletion. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you for watching.